Hi guys, I'm Terry and welcome to my channel. Today I'm setting my dining table in a very glamorous fall tablescape. I'd like to share with you step by step on how I do this. Okay, let's get started. So this is my dining area and where I'm going to be setting up for the fall tablescape. Putting the runner in the center of the table. So for my first layer, I like to place these beautiful ZGALLERIE mirrored chargers. I got them a couple years ago, but I think they have something very similar to this currently in the stores now. Now on top of that, I'd like to put like a buffer to kind of protect the mirror, and I found these at PIER 1. They were $5.99. $5.99. And I just put those on top of the mirrors. So I found these really pretty silver and cream place settings at ZGALLERIE. So we're going to put a bowl and the plate together on each place setting. We're next going to put a silver and white linen napkin on each place setting. I like to put them right on the corners. I found these acrylic napkin holders also at ZGALLERIE. So now comes the fun part. This pumpkin with the mirror squares on them. This came from PIER 1, and I'm going to use these as my centerpiece. So I actually have 3 of them. I love these. Let's make all the And for my final touch, lots of candles. Now these are all from Home Goods Store, and I want to say I have them in all different sizes, so there's no set pattern of putting them. Just kind of scatter them throughout the table. Just stunning. We'll put one on this side to even this. And I like to keep everything crisp with the white, so I'm going to be using white candles. Place those. And lastly, these cute little tea lights, also from Home Goods. They came in a pack of 6. And we're just going to scatter these everywhere. Thank you guys for watching. I hope I inspired you with ideas for your fall table setting. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video and let me know below if you have any comments or suggestions for any future videos. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell to get notifications of my new videos. Until next time, bye-bye.